Hello, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and it's almost the end of March actually, and I've been pretty much not buying anything new since January, but last week I did dip into Dollarama, Dollar Tree, and HomeSense for looking for napkins, and I'll show you what I picked up. So at Dollarama, I bought some more bobby pins because I have been working really hard on organizing my lace and ribbon drawers. And I've been using them to hold the ribbon and lace down so that it doesn't unravel. And I find that really works very well. Easy to get on and off, and it's inexpensive. You get 60 for $1.25. So I picked up another package of those. I picked up another tacky glue while I was at the Dollarama, or Dollar Tree. Sorry, picked this up at Dollar Tree because it's $1.75 for 3 ounces. And when I bought it on Amazon, I got 4-ounce bottles and they were like $12 each. So, it's a no-brainer. You pick it up at the Dollar Tree when you're in there. And also at the Dollar Tree, Crafter Square, this little piece, 18 by 21. So I think that is a fat quarter, if I'm not mistaken. And it's sort of slightly flannel, but it's this beautiful gingham. I love gingham and I love turquoise, so I could not leave it there. And then this was what I picked up at HomeSense, these beautiful napkins. I can't wait to use them. And it's not that I need napkins, I just felt like I wanted a new one. A really pretty one. And I knew that, I looked at Dollar Tree and Dollarama, and they've got Easter ones are all that's new right now. And they're very childish looking, like not my style at all, more cartoony. So this is more what I was after, something really pretty, floral, not necessarily vintage looking, but I can do that by using Mod Podge with coffee mixed in and make the background more off-white. So I can't wait to do a project with that. Maybe we'll do that today too. And then in Dollar Tree, I think it was 2 different new decks of cards, Friends and Peanuts. So I took a little peek while I was in the store, but I want to look at them closer. I grew up watching, the Charlie Brown specials on TV every season. And so I kind of like the Peanuts one. So you got Joe Cool on the back of each one with like a comic strip background, which is kind of neat. And then the fronts have him as well. So is it all him? No, there's all different ones of him. So I know I've got a crafting pen pal in, I think, Germany or somewhere overseas that likes peanuts. So I'll probably send some to her for some happy mail. And then if anybody else that I'm talking to likes peanuts, they'll get some. I'll definitely decorate some. And then the Friends ones, more from my adult years, young adult years, has the group on the front with doodles in the background. And then the fronts of them have all different things. Regina Phalange. That was Phoebe that said that for something. The taxi cab. The reclining chairs. The foosball table. The thing that you look through the door. The turkey with the sunglasses. Phoebe's guitar. The couch. Central Perk. Yeah, those are fun. Those are a lot of fun. They're neither one of these. They're not very thick and they're not very glossy, which is good in my mind. But they're fun for anyone who's a fan. They had other ones like Star Wars and stuff like that. I didn't bother with those. And then more of these butterflies. I keep watching for butterflies, and these were at Dollarama. And I'm not going to use them as butterflies. I'm going to take them apart. They're on these clips. I'm going to take the wings off, basically. I'm just going to deconstruct them and use the wings in behind people to make them like fairy people. So they're pretty flat. They do have wires, but you can take those off as well if you don't need them. And I probably will. But these ones are kind of a gold outline, and they're iridescent organza wings. So beautiful, beautiful. $2, so a buck a butterfly, but I've been on the lookout for them, so I grabbed them. And then I picked up some more Sharpie black pens. I use these for signing my ATCs and anything else that I want to sign that I've made, because it's nice thin line and it always works. Whereas sometimes ballpoint pens, if you're writing on bumpy paper or paper with a different sheen, it doesn't want to work. So I find these ones don't let me down for that. So that's why I use them. And I got those at Dollarama, I believe. And I don't know how much they were. Forever in Time calligraphy markers. Now I'm really excited for these because I still have one of the calligraphy markers that I got quite a few years ago. I really am looking for these. They're double-ended and the ends are kind of flat. I don't know if you can see that. So that when you write, you'd leave the pen in one orientation and it creates the fat and skinny sections of the letter. And the other end is much thinner, so you can do the same thing, only very small. And I like to use that to write the addresses on envelopes. So let's see how these ones work. These are the colors they had. Yeah, it is the same kind of pen. And there's purple. That's right. That's a good color too. And then this one's more like a lilac maybe. Yeah, so those will be fun to play with, and I'll keep watching for more colors in them. This is the only colors they had there. And they're by Forever in Time, which I find makes good stuff. And it's a 5mm. Oh, they're all different sizes, 2, 3.5, and 5. I didn't notice that when I was using them. And that's by Multicraft, which I think is a Canadian company. Pretty sure it is. I'm curious to see if those are anywhere in the States, in the thrift stores or dollar stores. And then this was at Dollar Tree. It was $3, which our Dollar Trees started having larger prices in the last few months, maybe 6 months or to a year. It's still coming from Greenbrier in Virginia, but it's imported. Oh no, it says in the USA it comes from Greenbrier. In Canada, it's imported by DTSC Imports, made in India. So it's mixed media paper, which intrigued me. It's a small book, 5.5 by 8.5, 160 GSM or grams per meter squared. I'm not sure if that's the same as GSM. And the paper is smooth. It's not like watercolor paper. It's smoother, but it's thick. Not quite cardstock, but thick. And it's perforated beside the spine here. And it's got the square holes through the spiral. So that will be interesting to play with. I know that multimedia paper is the kind of paper that they say to use for if you're going to make a book to stick your embellishments down, because I guess maybe because it's smooth enough that if you use like a temporary adhesive, you can get the things off without damaging the paper, so that you can put like all your tickets, tags, embellishments in a book to find them easier. And I may do that. I take up a lot of space organizing my stuff, and this might be more compact. And at $3 a book, it might be the way to go, because it's with the spiral bound, it always lays flat. And you could add tabs for your, what do you call it, categories. And then the last thing I bought was for my nephew for Easter, a bluey paint with water book. I figure even if he's already got this one, he will always want another one to do more. And this is a great activity when the family's together and he wants to do something. It's not messy. All you need is a little water and it doesn't have a paint mess. I gave them to my son when he was little, and it works good. Makes them feel creative and like they're crafting, because we're always crafting with them, so he can craft along with us. So that was my little mini haul for March, and I'm looking forward to spring when I start my yard sailing again. That's when I'll start really hauling, and that's kind of what I've been holding out for, but I really need to pick me up, and this really did it. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing my my finds. And if you're a Peanuts fan or a Friends fan, let me know and we'll get you some Happy Mail coming. And do join me to see what I do with the napkins and the butterflies and all the things. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.